Ni hao. I'm Lena Persson and I work as the Vice President at Kristianstad University. We are so proud to have so many students from China at our university. In 1999, Kristianstad University started to collaborate with Ningbo University, and since then we have expanded our collaboration to include more than 10 universities in China. At Kristianstad University, all working relationships are characterized by openness and respect, and based on sustainability. And we wish to provide the best possible support to our international students. I know that it's not always easy to study abroad. There is lots of differences in the classroom interaction, such as relationship between teachers and students, and the importance of critical thinking and writing. But I am convinced that you all do your very best. We are also glad to have an active Chinese-Swedish association in Kristianstad, which help us to develop close relationships with our students and between our universities. It is also our hope that an increasing number of Swedish students will be able to study in China. Yang Nye Kwe Le Gong Chi Fa Te.